Hey guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. This video is going to be a wash day and I am using the famous Pattern Beauty products by Miss Tracee Ellis Ross. I got these in a curl box. They had a special curl box for Tracee's birthday and I did pick up on it for $20. I'll have curl box linked below so you can go ahead and subscribe to them. And let's go ahead and jump right into this wash day. So my hair is pre-pooed. I'm first going in with the Pattern Beauty Hydration Shampoo. This is a 9.8 fluid ounce. It gently cleanses and hydrates. And on the website, it does retail for $25 for the 9.8 fluid ounces. It is paraben free, free of silicone, color safe, free of salicylic silicones, phthalate free, and formaldehyde free. Yeah. When I first put this on, it had a thin kind of watery consistency, but as you can see, it lathers up nicely. I love a shampoo with a good lather. It just makes my day. Yeah, it's cruelty free. It is for 12 months. I enjoyed this shampoo. As you can see, I kind of just played around with it. I did pre-poo, so I want to say that this has slip, but my hair was already detangled, so I do not want you guys to be deceived about why my hands are gliding through. Now, it could possibly have slip for the shampoo. I usually don't detangle with my shampoos, so I never really check for them. I was just kind of finger detangling because I didn't have no nails and I was just going through. It did feel good going on my scalp, and when I rinsed it off, it felt good as well. It did not feel stripping. It definitely felt hydrating, and I liked it overall. I've seen mixed reviews on it, but for me, I enjoyed this shampoo. So, yeah. Next, I went in with the Pattern Medium Conditioner for Curly's Hydrate and Nourish Conditioner. This is a 13 fluid ounce. I will get back with you on what that retails for because I don't know it offhand. I want to say $25, between $20 and $25. If you know Tracee Ellis Ross, for the Pattern, she is known to make her conditioners bigger than the shampoos off rip, which we use more conditioner than anything, whether we're pre-pooing with it, actually using it as a conditioner, or using it as a deep conditioner. This consistency was very thick. I enjoyed it. Like, y'all, I was kind of having fun with it, going overboard, using more than I needed to because I already pre-pooed, so it's not like I needed to detangle. But I definitely liked the feel of it. It did have slip. It did have moisture. It was hydrating. My curls stayed popping. It didn't take away from my poppage of the curls. So yeah, I literally had fun with it, and I called my mom in there so she could see how it was going. I would, so far in this wash day, I mean, this is pretty much the end. I would highly recommend these products. If you have the coins, go ahead and spend them. Like I said, for these two, you're at about $50. I will have another video coming out soon using the leave-in conditioner and the oil, but so far with the shampoo and the conditioner, I'm pretty satisfied. I definitely will use these both again, put them in my regimen a lot. I want to try the conditioner as a pre-poo, even though I probably know that it will still have slip. But y'all, my curls are popping. I'm gonna let y'all just go ahead and finish watching it, you know? So this is my hair with the shampoo rinsed out, with the conditioner washed out. As you can see, my hair is clean. It's not stripping. So I did have my moisture. I had my curls. I was loving it. My hair felt soft. My hair felt moisturized. This collection did what it came to do, okay? And I really wasn't too much worried because Tracy Ellis Ross knows her thing when it comes to natural hair. She's been wearing her natural hair. We've seen it all on TV shows and all that other good stuff, red carpets, all of that. She is not afraid to rock her natural hair. So, I mean, her thing says, embrace your gorgeous, rock your pattern. And she did what needed to be done with these products. My hair felt good. My hair looked good. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.